Good morning, guys. Today I will take practical class for class 7 standard student. Topic name is Microsoft Excel. So let us start our today's topic. Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? It's a spreadsheet, electronic spreadsheets. It helps us to do different kinds of calculation in an easy way using formulas. First thing, how to open a Microsoft Excel. Go to Start menu. From this list, find out Microsoft Office. Here, click here and choose MS Excel or Microsoft Excel from this list. I will select here, and this is our by default Microsoft Excel window. First, we have to discuss about this window. What is called what? First, this is a full window of Microsoft Excel. This is called title bar, top of this window. Here written book 3, that means it's a by default name of this file. Second thing, this is quick access toolbar. This is extreme right, 3 buttons are there. Extreme right one is called close button. Just before that, maximize or restore button. Just before that, minimize button. After that, this is called ribbon. That means up to this, the whole area is called ribbon. This is address or name box. That means cell address we will get here. That's called name box. And this is formula bar. Suppose we will write something in a particular cell, then that text we will get in this formula bar. This is column header A, B, C, D, E, like that. And this is row header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. One more thing, in a Excel spreadsheet, by default 3 sheets are available. This is sheet tab, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and this is called our option down and left and right to scroll bar are there. So this is our one scroll bar, this is another one. Just down, this is called status bar. Here we will get the zoom panel as well as preview options. And this entire area is called working area. So this is about our MS Excel window. Now we will know how we will enter text in a particular cell. First of all, we have to select a particular cell. Suppose this one I will select. This cell address is E3. This is E3. This is G2. Column name is G as well as row number 2. That's why G2. After selecting a cell from keyboard, we can type anything. Basically, Excel is a popular spreadsheet software still now. Now we will solve a small workbook. Okay, come to that point. Yes, I have already typed here something. Try to make a result of 5 different students. Okay, this is name, that means student's name. This is class. These students belongs from which class. Here I have taken 5 different subject and their marks, and this is total area and this is average area. So now in front of you I will do the total. How we will do this total? For total we have to know the formula of sum. Okay, at first we have to select this particular cell. That means here I want the result or total of this student. So select this cell as well as type equals to symbol. After that, type in capital letter SUM. Then a first bracket you have to type. Then select the entire cell range. So this is my cell range from C3 to G3 up to this. Then close the first bracket and press enter key. Now we will get the total marks of Ram Sahani. He got 426 out of 500. So will we calculate these 4 students total also? Is it? No, we will not calculate, because it's an electronic spreadsheet software. We have to do our work very quickly. That's why some extra features are available in this software. That is autofill. Yes, using autofill handler we will get other students total marks. Just take a look here, small square box is there and this is my cursor, which one is moving right now. This plus symbol will change when we will move this mouse cursor into that small square shape. Just have a look. Yes, that cursor already changed. Now select it and drag up to the last position of this cell and drop it. Now you will get all other students total. Yes, this is a quick process to do this total or summation. Now we will do the average of a student. How we will do this average? In common case, total number divided by the subject number. Total subject number. Yes, in the same way. Take equals to, select the particular total value. So this 1 and type division symbol, and total number of subjects are 5. Type 5. Then press enter. So you all will get the value of this student Ram Sahani. He got 85.2. This is the current value. So for other students, in same way, using autofill handler, we all will do this work. Yes, I got this one. So in this way we can do our Excel work. Now we have to select this work. Go to this save command from quick access toolbar, and after clicking this save as dialog box came into our monitor screen. Just have a look at it and type your file name. Suppose my file name is Shubhashish. and same way we have to select the location where we want to save our file. I have selected that desired location. Now I will click on save button. Yes, now my file already saved as a Subhashish. So now close it and check it. Yes, my file is here, so my work is completed properly. Today, up to this, I hope you got an idea. Practice it and stay with us, stay tuned.